What's up, trader? Welcome back to Chart Breakdown, where we break down the charts and sharpen our mindsets. Today, we are going to be diving into GU, which is also known as cable, and we are going to be breaking it down using the ICT concept, which I normally use before. And if you are into smart money, liquidity grabs, and position entries, so ICT should not be new to you. You are definitely gonna love this one. So log in, grab a notepad, and let's get straight into it. Let's go. Alright, real quick before we start, this isn't a financial advice, it's just my perspective based on the chart and ICT methodology. I'm walking you through what I see and how I would personally approach cable in this current week. So let's go straight to the chart. So as you can see here, you can see that my chart is sitting at the daily time frame. So if you can see something, you see that GU has been on a bullish trend. It has been on a bullish trend. So you can see my liquidity sweep, which is this green, green candlestick, which is this green area here. So what I'm just looking at for GU for this week is to continue upward, to sweep this particular level before it starts going down. So that's what I'm looking for GU to do this current week. So the reason why I said it should come to that particular level, there is a liquidity sweep here which it would need to break through before coming down. So those people that are here, those people that think, okay, do you want to start selling now? You should first of all sweep them out, hit their stop loss before what coming back down. So before you start heading towards the downside. So that is that for the daily time frame. So let's check the 4-hour time frame. This is going to be quick. So let's check the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see in the 4-hour time frame, this is like a pullback to the OTE, which is also known as the optimal trade entry. If I should use my fib level, you'll see something that GU pull back to the OTE, which is the optimal trade entry. If you are an ICT student, you should know what that means. So this is the 50% level, retracement level. Sorry for that. So let me set it. So this is the 50% retracement level, while this one is the 60 or 62% retracement level. But when GU, you can say that in this particular area, if you should say this particular area, you can say call it equilibrium. But if you should trade downward, it's not in an area of optimal trade entry, which is also known as which is this area, which GU came to to test. So when GU get to this place, it's about heading towards the upside, which is the current trade of GU, which is also bullish, a bullish trend. So you can see in this in the 4-hour time frame that the 4-hour time frame is also confirming that GU is still on a bullish trend. But you can also see something here that there's a little break in markets. There's a little break in market structure at this particular level. There's a little break in market structure. If you are checking this properly, there's a little break in market structure or market structure shift. This 4-hour time frame, GU ought not to break this particular level. This particular level, GU ought not to what to break it, but it's the market. So it came close to this. It came close to this level. These are liquidity sweep, but it didn't even touch it. So but it came very close. So what me I'm thinking is that GU can, for this week, GU can still come up to this level. GU can still come up to this level. Because why? This is an optimal trade entry. From this particular level, this is an optimal trade entry. Sorry, this is an optimal trade entry. So for that, GU can some GU is also making higher highs and higher lows. So that can also confirm. That is also one of the confirmation. Or it can do something else. Just straight up to this particular level, then to retest this breaker block. There's a breaker block here. So there's a breaker block this particular level to retest that place, then start going downward. So that's what I'm expecting for GU this week. But from my own perspective, GU is still in a bullish move. GU is still in a bullish move. So when it not gets to this particular level. Sorry. When it gets to this particular level, particular level, then there will be a market structure shift. So that's what I'll be expecting for GU. So in the 4-hour time frame, I'm still expecting a bullish move based on what GU is currently doing. So let's head over to the 1-hour time frame, which is the last time frame. So what are you seeing here? If you can see this place clearly, this is when you see what I was talking about in the 4-hour time frame. Like I said before, there's a little bit of market structure shift here. This is where you see it. This is where you will see it clearly. That is a market structure shift. So, but One thing I'm still seeing on GU, the same thing on this 1 hour time frame, that also happened in the 4 hour time frame, is that GU still what? It's still in a bullish move. Look at what happened here. These are what's it called? So GU is still going what? Upward. It's creating a low. This is a low. Sorry, this is a high. This is a higher low. This is a higher high. This is a higher low also. And look at where GU is currently. So for this week, I'm still going to be expecting a bullish move on GU. I'm still going to be expecting a bullish move on GU. So like on Monday, I don't take any trade on Monday. So for we to take any trade, I don't normally teach entry yet. So I'm just going to be saying my point of view on GU. So that's what I'm going to be doing here. So maybe in another video I can make how I take my entries. So that's just it for today. So I want to quickly apologize for me not posting video recently. So I want to quickly apologize. There's a reason for that. So for now, it's for by God's grace, I'll be posting videos regularly. So that is it. That is that for that. So we have come to the end of chart breakdown for today. Cable look like it's heading towards the upside. That is if you are following the ICT concept to grab the liquidity pool, that area there. So remember, patience is a key. Let price come to you, wait for confirmation and don't force trade. So if this is the sort of content you like, please do well to hit the subscribe button. Also do well to press the like button and leave your comment. I'll be replying to every comment. So thank you very much. Stay sharp, stay disciplined, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace and love.